whatever used to happen in the home, it exactly the same. Basically, you know, food and beverage service is something which is actually started from the home only. घर से ही शुरू हुआ ये. तो जिन्होंने घर के कामकाज अच्छी तरह से किए होंगे, I mean, they are much more comfortable in doing food and beverage. Only in IHM Gwalior will teach you how to serve the wine in a very good, gracious manner. But otherwise, if you take a look, rest all the factors is completely almost the same. Okay. So first we will learn about what is a mise en place. So let's go. It's a very, very small topic. So as you can see on the screen, आपको जो स्क्रीन के ऊपर अभी आ रहा है, यहाँ पे दिखा रहा है आपको कि mise en place का मतलब होता है put the things in a right place. You will put your entire thing on a right place. Now just relate this factor with your home. आपके घर के साथ इस चीज को रिलेट कीजिए, आपको समझ में आएगा मैं क्या बोलना चाहता हूँ.
मेरे भी कल मैंने बॉटल कौन सी तो लिया ना.
प्रफुल्ल मिश्रा, प्लीज म्यूट योरसेल्फ. Okay. So now what is happening, please relate this issue with your home. Now suppose people, what will happen that your mom is cooking food at your home and suddenly you enter at the home at that area where where your mom is cooking the food and you said, mom, मैं hotel management में आज ना bread roll जो कैसे बनता है, वेल्यूटे सॉस कैसे बनता है, बेशमेल सॉस कैसे बनता है, मैं सीख के आज मैं कुछ करना चाहता हूँ. You know, your mom will start to scolding you. ठीक है तू कर ले जो तेरे को करना है. The moment you touch her ingredients or the moment you touch her you know, utensils, what will happen? Your mom start to get scared, and it is all common with all the male and the female also. Okay, does it happen at your home? कोई बोल सकता है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. नहीं, कुछ कुछ लोगों के घर में शायद नहीं होता हो, लेकिन मेरे घर में तो होता ही है. मैं जैसे ही मम्मी के पास जाता हूँ, मम्मी आज मुझे ये एक बार करना है, मेरे को रोस्ट चिकन करना है विद बॉइल्ड वेजिटेबल एंड ऑल, रातातुई करना है. सडनली माय मॉम बिकम वेरी मच एंग्री. ऐसा लग रहा है कि दैट पाकिस्तानी सोल्जर्स आर ट्राइंग टू एंटर टू द इंडियन टेरिटरी. You know, my mom used to take a very, very strong stick in his hand, is try to beat me with the ladle and all everything. So why your mom does like this? You know, something like this thing happen when you know, when you enter at your home. So suppose that kid, you can take a look, he's cooking the food and suddenly his mom become very much furious, and you can looking at the picture that you can take a look that your mom become very much angry and is scolding to you. So that's what in happen in reality also. बट द प्रॉब्लम ये कि हम ये सोचते हैं कि मॉम जो है वो अपने जो खाने का जो सामान है उससे बहुत प्यार करता है, दैट्स व्हाई शी इज स्कोल्डिंग अस. बट एक्चुअली ये कारण नहीं है, एक्चुअली कुछ कारण कुछ और है. द रीजन इज समथिंग एल्स व्हिच यू आर ओवरलुकिंग. बट देयर इज अ पॉइंट. नाउ वी हैव द टॉपिक विद योरसेल्फ. अभी एक सिंपल सा फैक्टर समझने की कोशिश कीजिए. जब आप उस एरिया में जाएंगे जहां पे आपको खाना वगैरह सब कुछ कुक करना है, now your mom has set that area properly. There is a place, there is a container where there is a salt, and there is a container where there is a chili powder, coriander powder, everything is there. There is a place where the entire racks are arranged properly with soaps and all and ladles and everything. Okay, but suddenly your mom will, oh sorry, yeah, suddenly your mom will start to scolding on you, because what happened, you are entering the kitchen area for the first time. So naturally you will messed up the thing. उसको mess up नहीं कहते basically. You will not put the place in its right place. इसका मतलब है कि mom को जब खाना पकाना होता है, so mom can close his eye and she will stretch her hand will straight away reach to the salt, because that area which your mom has set is that area your mom is cooking the food for last 20-25 years, and you are entering for the first time. आप पहली बार उसके अंदर जा रहे हो, तो naturally क्या होगा कि you will mess up the thing. ये जो messing up होगा, ये जो clearance होगा, वो mom को करना अच्छा नहीं लगता है, इसलिए mom ऐसा problem create करती है. और ये जो putting the things in a right place where your mom stretch your finger and she will touch the salt का डब्बा, that is nothing but मिजन प्लेस। सो दुनिया का जो सबसे बेस्ट होटल के जनरल मैनेजर है ना, वो आपके घर पे ही है। दैट्स योर मॉम एक्चुअली। द way she sets up the entire area, it's really amazing and she's actually creating the scene. अब इस चीज को रियलिटी में लेके आते हैं रेस्टोरेंट में। So if you take a look at the restaurant concept, आपको ये चीज समझना इंपॉर्टेंट है कि if you don't set your areas properly, आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे, you can take a look at the screen that in mise place there is the first thing that we need to do is a preparation before the service. There are 3 stage actually. One is the preparation before the service, preparation during the service and preparation after the service. Exactly the simple thing. जब आपके मम्मी सुबह उठ के खाना पकाने जाती है तो उससे पहले क्या करता है, मीजान प्लान, चॉपिंग, कटिंग वगैरह ये सब कुछ करके रखता है. दैट इज प्रिपरेशन बिफोर द सर्विस. While after cooking the food, your mom will go to the table, he set the table, place some plates. उसके बाद your father will come and your sister, daughter जो भी है, those your family members will come. They will sit and everything will be set properly on a table. That is the during the service. And after that, after the service, when all of you will left, your mom will clear the entire plates and all everything, go back to the dishwashing area and clean everything. Okay? That's what actually happened. In the hotel, you need not to clean the plates. That's not your problem. But you can take a look that there is a waiter is wiping the glass on the screen. And there is the second picture, you can take a look. Somebody is setting up the table covers. So basically, we are setting up the entire restaurant right now. So the tables has to be clean. The linen has to be clean. Tablecloth, which you're going to use, is to be spick and span and completely ironed. Okay. And then your cruet set, sugar caddies and everything, the floor, carpet, everything has to be clean and all. Okay, condiments tray. Once again, what is a condiment tray? Let's take an example. There should be pickle and chutney. Everything has to be filled up. You know, the salt and pepper, everything. You know, the side station to be fully equipped and stacked. You know, the best way to understand mise en place is that when you come to the restaurant next week onwards, आप जब रेस्टोरेंट में आओगे तो नेचुरली आपको गेस्ट को, हमारे जो स्टाफ लंच होता है यहाँ पे आईएचएम ग्वालियर में, दैट टाइम यू हैव टू सर्व द गेस्ट. ओके, like actual practical work will start from there. Over there you will understand कि mise en place, how the mise en place is so important. If there is no mise en place, I mean, like, even if you have the Gordon Ramsay at your restaurant will going to fall. Or even if you have a bunch of OCLD or Taj management trainee at your restaurant, it will definitely fall. Okay, so this is the main thing. Everything has to be set before the service start. Now, what is the setting things? मैं आपको theory में बस यही बोल सकता हूँ, but when you come to the practical class, we'll have a real picture. How is the mise en place to be done? Okay. Right, we go to the next slide, which says preparation during the service. Now, in the service time, what we'll do when the guest comes, you will welcome the guest. On the picture, you can take a look that a server is welcoming the guest. Now, once you said the menu has to be offered to you. So now, once you offer the menu should be clean, obviously, and then you take the order properly, serve the water. Now, remove the extra cover. That is very important. You will not understand at this point of time, but you will understand when you come to the restaurant. So remove the extra cover. इसका मतलब ये होता है कि whenever a guest sit on a one table, the other side, if it is empty, you will remove the cover from there. You will take a look at my YouTube channel. You will understand in a better way. Serve the water, present the menu card. All this thing has to be done in a gradual manner. This is the preparation during the service. Okay, right? And next we move to the slide which is said, oh my god, that's a quiz. Okay people, जो सो गए थे सब जाग जाइए, एक quiz है, देखते हैं आज quiz में क्या है. Yeah, first women cricket commentator of the world. कौन है, कौन बोल सकता है?
Chandra Naidu.
Sir Chandra Naidu.
Chandra Naidu.
Yes, Chandra Naidu. Who is that lady who spoke up the first?
Sir Ankita.
Yes, Ankita Biswal, that's the right answer. So she's the one, Chandra Naidu. She was the first women commentator, not only from India, but from the world. And you know where he's from?
Sir, I know that she is the daughter of former cricketer C.K. Naidu.
That's right. And where he is from? Which part of India? Okay. people. She's from Indore. She's from Indore. Yeah, she's from Indore.
Sir
And
Chandra Naidu.
yeah, she's from Indore, and the first cricket commentary she made in the age of 21 at Holkar Stadium. Holkar Stadium was in the Indore only. So there was a match was playing between MCC, that is Mumbai Cricket Council, versus something Bengal Cricket Council in 1976. That's the first time she was actually commentating, because his father was actually playing at that time. So that time she was commentating, and that's the first commentary. And after that, she was the first women commentator at the MCG. It means like Melbourne Cricket Ground, the famous match between the famous match of Pakistan and England, where the Pakistan beat England to lift the World Cup. She was also the member of commentators in that match. Okay, and she was a daughter of our former cricketer and batsman, Mr. C.K. Naidu. Okay, so she's from MP. Yes, he's from Indore. Chaliye, theek hai. It's a quiz. Now we move to the next slide, which says, so now we have learned that preparation before the service, preparation during the service, and now we have preparation after the service. What will happen after the service? Naturally, once again, वो मॉम वाली concept में पहुंच जाते हैं. आप सब लोगों ने खाना complete कर लिया. Now after this, Arav Kumar will take the remote and switch on the TV. Okay. Now Abhay will open up the laptop and start doing the FMB assignment. Okay. Then Abhijit Singh will go and just sleep, because tomorrow he have to wake up for 9 o'clock class. So this is the main thing. I mean, like, you will all do your job, but after the preparation of after the service is over, your mom will just clean the entire table, take all the plates, glasses, and everything, putting back in the dishwashing area. And also remember one thing: for tomorrow morning breakfast. Okay, for tomorrow's morning breakfast, she will also cook the food or make some mise en place also. So if you want to have a roti or something tomorrow morning breakfast, maybe cereals or cornflakes, she will take everything on a right place, so that tomorrow when she wake up and straight away enter the area, she will have everything in its place. Exactly same thing will happen in the restaurant also. So once we're done with your restaurant and everything, so you will just say the guest that goodbye. Then you clear the table, reset the table for the next guest. And after the end of the operation, your side station will be clean. Okay. I mean, like, see, once again, I'm telling you that this is the thing which can be easily understand in the practical classes. So we'll obviously definitely learn from there. Okay. It's very essential that you should not think like that. You know, हम ये कहते हैं सर, आप लोग ये कहते हो कि होटल इंडस्ट्री में इतनी लंबी शिफ्ट क्यों होती है? So the reason behind this is the main point. Okay. So first of all, the thing is that I tell you the story in Trident, in JW Marriott Aerocity, when I used to work, our restaurant, which name is K3, it is a cover of 278. One at a time, 278 guests can come, and total rooms of the JW Marriott Aerocity was 490. अब समझ लो 490 गेस्ट अगर एक टाइम पे आ गया तो उस रेस्टोरेंट का हालत क्या होगा. लेकिन आज तक दुनिया में ऐसा रेस्टोरेंट कहीं नहीं है जहां पे सब लोग एक साथ आता है. तो नेचुरली क्या होता है कि सी आफ्टर द क्लोजिंग इज डन, when we say that it's 12 o'clock in the now it's, see, our restaurant used to get closed at 11 o'clock, but after that still we used to stay back for 1 o'clock in the night. 1 बजे तक हम फिर भी रुक जाए थे. You know why? Because we need to prepare things. The cutleries used to go back, they used to be cleaned properly, and once the cutleries are clean, then we put this cutlery back in the side station. Okay, we'll set the tables once again with napkin, because the setup and everything has to be done in the night only. You will close the restaurant and will start doing the setup, because if you keep anything from the morning, then you will going to die. Because when I used to reach at 7 o'clock in the shift of morning next day, you know what used to happen? मुझे समझ भी नहीं आता कि मेरे सामने हो क्या रहा है. Because the thing is that You know, when I entered, I found that the guest is completely full restaurant. Only 3 employees from the night shift are handling. Entire staff came and they start doing clearance and all because they don't know what is actually happening. Because just you enter and you see that every crowd is full and completely crowded and everything. That's the reason to avoid this. Now, suppose you enter the restaurant, suddenly somebody say, "Can I get a cup of coffee?" अब आप कॉफी मशीन में भाग के गए तो आपको मालूम हुआ कि कॉफी मशीन के अंदर रात को अपने बीन्स और कॉफी पाउडर डाला नहीं था. दिस विल क्रिएट अ बिग प्रॉब्लम. So all this thing has to be done before night. Okay. And obviously, yes, when the guest left, you need to clean things and set the table properly so that once you set it, the next guest can come easily. Okay, right? So this is about the mise en place or mise en place. So never say mise en place. We will always say mise en place. It's a very common word. When you go to the BTK or when you go to the restaurant, they will also say use this word. आज के mise en place में क्या-क्या है? Okay, right? All right, now we go to the next slide, which says, okay, that's what happened actually. There is one more picture. You can take a look on the screen. जहाँ पे आपको दिख रहा है कि after the food, the lady is helped by his small child. Okay, that's the cleaning part. Okay, now we go to the next slide, which says mise en scene. Mise en scene means creating the scene. Creating the scene. इसका मतलब set the stage. Stage को set कीजिए, अभी शो शुरू होने वाला है. तो ये पीछे जो आपको बैकग्राउंड में ये जो फोटो दिख रहा है, इसके पीछे यही कहानी है. ये सब कुछ हमारे घर से ही आता है. ये अच्छा कोई बोल सकता है ये कब हम घर पे करते हैं ऐसा, दिया लगाते हैं सब कुछ?
दिवाली.
दिवाली.
यस 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 राइट. सो दिवाली के दिन हम ऐसे सीन क्रिएट करते हैं because we all know lots of friends and family will come with Cadbury celebration and chocolates and everything. You will have it and you also blow the crackers and all everything. So that's the actual factor. You know, in the restaurant also the same thing will happen. Creating a scene is nothing to do with the wiping of cutlery and all. Creating scene is nothing to do with the wiping of cutlery or setting up table is nothing. It's all about the look of the restaurant. Look of the restaurant can be understood by anything. You know, you can add a small candle, it will give a different look. You can add nice lighting, that will also give an important look. You know, at the same time, it is also important that you can add something called air condition. The chair should be dusted and everything. All this thing will plays an important role. Okay, so let's go to the next slide, which says mise en scene. So mise en scene is nothing but creating the scene of a restaurant. So now, as you can take a look, the first picture is a very small, formal and nice, I mean like expensive restaurant, right? There is a cutlery, covers and all, everything, restaurant, buffet and everything. But look at the second picture. सबको दिख रहा है ना ये second picture? If you take a look at the second picture, okay, thank you. If you take a look at the second picture, it's very informal. But you know, this is the second picture is amazing restaurant. This is very formal. ऐसा लग रहा है कि कोई यहाँ पे सिंगारा वेलेवन की जो बुक है या फिर FMB क्लास का जो प्रैक्टिकल है IHM ग्वालियर से अभी पढ़ के आया है और सीधा ये रेस्टोरेंट को सेट कर दिया. बट ये जो रेस्टोरेंट है, this cannot be done by a hotel management student who just recently passed out from an IHM ग्वालियर. कोई बोल सकता है ये रेस्टोरेंट कहाँ पे है? Any idea? ये वाला जो सेकंड पिक्चर वाला जो रेस्टोरेंट आपको दिख रहा है, this restaurant is in Gwalior only. Okay, this restaurant is in Gwalior only. इस रेस्टोरेंट का नाम है स्वीट सीन. Okay, कैप्टन अभिमन्यु सिंह मार्ग जो है, if you go to the कैप्टन अभिमन्यु सिंह मार्ग, after that there is a SP office and SP office के बाद वहां पे आएगा लैंडमार्क होटल, quality restaurant, and then you straight away go and then you enter Bistro 57, another famous restaurant, and after Bistro 57 there is a sweet scene. So basically this restaurant is a combination of three things. What's up pizza by the way, what's up pizza by the way, sweet scene, and Bahare biryani. What's up pizza by the way, sweet scene, and Bahare biryani. So these three type of food are actually found over there. And people, I tell you, once you have a time, please go to this place. Because why I should say this thing, because हमें ये चीज सीखना चाहिए. मतलब मैं just 2 दिन पहले 4 दिन पहले यहाँ पे गया था. Accidentally I been to this restaurant, and you know I just become a fan of it, because the fact is it is completely informal. There is nothing. If you go to quality restaurant, you will see the covers are laid. You know, if you go to the Taj Chusha Kiran Palace, covers are laid. But this is so nice and completely smart. There is no standard, and but look at the view. The owner of this restaurant is MBA from IIM Ahmedabad. The owner of the restaurant is from it's done his MBA from IIM Ahmedabad, and after that he decided to open this restaurant. And they have also, actually they started from Indore, and after that Indore, if you go, you will find lots of restaurant like this, but now they've shifted the first one at Gwalior. Only in the month of December they have opened it up. It's a fantastic restaurant. So look at the scene here and look at the scene here. The scene over here is okay, formal, nice, but the scene over here, the second picture, it's very energetic, and this is the point you need to grab. See, देखियो, एक बात आपको समझ लेनी चाहिए, जो दिखता है वो बिकता है. Okay, so this restaurant is for the business meetings, okay, you know, formal guests, but this is for the mass crowd, you know, all the smart people, you know, the corporate people, when you want to sit with a laptop or MacBook and in a restaurant and you want to learn something, this is the ideal place, having a pizza or a milkshake just by the side. So that's called the creating the scene. Okay, right? Okay. So please, people, when you have a time, please visit this area. It's a really nice thing to see from there. So what are the important things that we need to learn from the mise-en-scene is that how do you create a good scene? Obviously, यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो कि lots of lightings are here. Okay, once you have a good lightings plays an important role. Then the wall paintings, the maintenance of the walls and all, the alignment of the chairs and the tables, that also plays an important role. Okay. Now, as you can check a look, all the carpets should be well brushed and all. Their menu cards should be, and the 10 cards, menu cards, and the doors, and the exchange of dirty linens with the tablecloth and fresh cloth. I mean, see, it's once again, if you entered the restaurant and you feel there is a bad food smell is coming out, or the rotten food smell coming out, once again, that's create a very bad impression. Instead, there has to be a very nice smell of biryani, or maybe a nice smell of burning smell of pizza or bread roll, or maybe a smell of your room freshener or something. Okay, so that's how you need to balance the thing. इसे कहते हैं हम mise-en-scene. Mise-en-scene के साथ F&B department का कोई relation नहीं होता है, because mise-en-scene is a work which is actually done by the housekeeping people, cleaning of the table. But yes, the checking has to be done by this. Now, suppose there's a fantastic restaurant, but you know the windows are not open, curtains are not open. In the lunch time, if you don't open the windows and curtains, the fresh air will not come inside. Obviously, your restaurant will smell very bad. So all this thing you need to keep in mind: air condition, lights, and all everything. Right? Okay. So that's how the fact is. Okay. Now, who can tell me what is the name of the restaurant on the screen? कौन बोल सकता है? जो ग्वालियर से है उनको तो ये जवाब देना चाहिए था. People from Gwalior, they should say that what kind of restaurant is this? No one knows.
Sir, Radisson.
No, Radisson नहीं है ये. Try more.
Taj
Cafe.
Taj Usha Kiran.
No, not Taj. Somebody said something, Abhi. It's not a hotel. It's a standalone.
Captain's Cafe.
Amazing. That's Captain's Cafe. Yes, it is Captain's Cafe Gwalior. A very fantastic place once again. All right. So that's the Captain's Cafe look in the night. Okay. But yes, naturally, I would say I was a fan of Captain's Cafe. The moment I saw the sweet scenes, जो Captain Ivan in Marg में, I become very much fan of it. Okay. It's very smart and savvy style. Okay. चलो ठीक है, वो तो चलो बात की बात है. But ठीक है, for the examination purpose, remember this points are to be kept in mind. और मैंने आप लोगों को एक word file share किया है. So question that you can expect from here, if it is an offline exam अगर हुआ, so you can expect that what are the factors to be kept in mind while setting up the mise-en-plan of a restaurant. You know, the chair, the table, the linen, and then cutleries, okay, side station, all this thing you need to put in point, okay? Not to worry, actually, you will not understand in a better way at this point of time. The moment you enter to the our college restaurant by next week onwards, obviously you will have a fantastic feeling, and also at the same time you'll get a nice picture of all the restaurant, okay? So mise en place and mise en scène. Sometime in the examination, this can become as a small question, you know, how they shuffle the question. Actually, please understand, they will say lights, menu cards, 10 cards, and let's take an example, air condition. This factor should come under which of the following type? So one is mise en place and one is mise en scène. Okay, जहां पे FMB employee को wiping करना होता है, you need to set up the table cover, flower arrangement, and all this thing will come under the type of your mise en place. But wherever there is no FMB touch, obviously air condition is something it cannot be done by the FM people, but done by the engineering or maintenance department. Those things will come under the mise en scene. Okay, so mise en scène and mise en place. It's the two topic we have learned, right? Okay, so yes, that's it. आज के लिए बस इतना ही है, छोटा सा ये टॉपिक है. अब थोड़ा सा हम फिर से देख लेते हैं कि हम कहाँ पे अभी खड़े हैं as per this syllabus और कहाँ हमें जाना है. Actually, we are much more ahead. I think 2 weeks of time. I mean, like within 1 week only, we will able to complete the syllabus. Very, very small one. Okay. So you can check a look. Just a moment. एक बार रुक जाइए, मैं आपको दिखा देता हूँ हम लोग कहाँ पे रुके हुए हैं. Yeah. So the course curriculum, when we are standing at, okay. So I'm sharing the screen, people. Please take a look. Yeah, so that's our topic, foundation course in food and beverage service 2. That is my topic. And people, its code number को ध्यान से याद रखना, BHM 152. This is our subject code number. Okay, right? And we will just take a look at the syllabus now. देखते हम कहाँ पे रुके हुए हैं. So basically, we have done this part, the menu planning and everything, accompaniment. French name of dishes, yes, ये वाला अभी तक हुआ नहीं है. This is not yet done. We will do it soon. And then we done the meals and all everything. उसके बाद आज हमने ये preparation of organization, mise en place and mise en scène ये हमने complete कर दिया. इसके बाद हमने ये भी complete कर दिया, cafeteria service, गर्दियों, lounge and all everything. And then tomorrow onwards, we'll start with an interesting chapter which is known as a KOT, Kitchen Order Ticket. इसके बाद ये tobacco is pending, बस ये 2 chapter रहता है. This is 2 days and this is 2 days and then we are over. ठीक है? इसके बाद हमारी the syllabus will be completely over. So by the midterm, before the midterm only, we'll complete with the syllabus. But for the midterm examination, we will go only up to here. So 1, 2 and 3. ये देखिए मेरा जो स्क्रीन है, ये लाउंज सर्विस, जो प्रिपेयर सर्विस, ये जो 50% पार्ट आपका चैप्टर है, मतलब सेल्स कंट्रोल सिस्टम पहले तक का, that will be going to your midterm syllabus, which will going to starting from the 19th onwards. Now in this weekend, you will also find lots of small question, MCQ question I am trying to send you. Okay, so please try to see those questions and please answer as many as of that, so that you get habituated with the MCQ style paper. And I'm creating a question bank of FMB for the final term and examination. So that question bank is full of your MCQ question and all from different kinds of, I think I should say that last time की बात है, second year के लिए मैंने एक question bank create किया था, 99% came from that only. So that question bank I will hand it over to you, but it will take another 2-3 weeks, at least after the midterm only. Then you can take a look at that. In the meantime, we'll have a practical classes to start हो ही जाएगा, and then we'll understand everything. ठीक है? So this is the fact, and now let's move back to the slide again. Okay. So here we are standing. We've already given you an assignment. Please, on the Google Classroom, please try to finish it. That is the next week is the deadline. That is only Thursday. Thursday next week is a deadline. जितना जल्दी हो सके, you can please try to complete as fast as possible. Okay, right? ठीक है. Okay, right. People, anybody question before we signing off? Any question before we signing off? All right, people, are you awake? आप लोग जगे हो सब लोग?
Yes, sir.
Yes.